Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can insert your list in your Airtable workspace. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to open our workspace. So as you can see, I've already opened my workspace. Now simply what we have to do, simply we need to go to this option. Here's the list option. So let's click on the list. And after clicking on the list, you can also rename the name. I'm going to keep it list as it. So let's click on the create, and after clicking on the create, the dashboard will be shown here. So as you can see, this is the blank option. You can also write the name here. This is the blank. For example, I'm going to write the Hissam here. So let's write the Hissam, and you can also add the, or if you want to open this, you can also do that. You have to click on the open, and you have to click on this. You will be able to see some different type of options here. So let's cut this. I'm going to add some other, like this is the blank. So I'm going to write the Danish here, and let's add the list again here. So let's write the Asad here. I'm going to write this. As you can see, if you want to if you want to add another record, you can also do that. You have to click on this add record, and you will be able to see get this blank option. So in this way, you can create a list in your Airtable workspace. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create a list in Airtable workspace. So see you guys in the next video.